Anything?
For Morgan, Chris, Jonah, and Jude, we ditched the 9 to 5 to spend more time with each other after years of missing out.
We're exploring every state in the U.S., creating experiences that bring us closer together the further we step outside of our comfort zones.
Where are we now?
Hi, explorers! Greetings from
Wyoming.
This week we stayed in Evanston, Wyoming, because there's something close by called a fossil safari where you can dig and in most cases take home the fossils that you find.
However, getting there proved to be quite difficult.
Are you guys excited to go on an adventure?
What are you doing?
Who's ready?
Your hats?
I am Sasha!
The GPS has us turning right into this.
I'm gonna keep driving because look, it like loops.
Well, I would hope you would keep driving.
It loops around. Can you see that? It's just not the way.
Does it look like the way?
You just come all this way on this bumpy road. Here's the private railroad crossing we just crossed. And we got to the gate. I can't really believe it, to be honest. It's kind of a nightmare. Okay, this is the sign. Gate here. Do not use this road to access fossil quarries. Google lies. Where did the car cross the road? We built this city on rock and roll.
Let's rally!
Sunday.
Oh yeah. All right, you ready for your dig?
Yeah!
Little backstory, Jonah is obsessed with Jurassic World and Jurassic Park, and we got him a really cool outfit for his birthday and told us that he, more than anything, wants to be a paleontologist.
So we decided he probably needed some hands-on training.
Fine.
So all those fish on there you can keep.
Cool.
On that new one.
You think you're gonna find one of those?
How do you think you didn't find one of these?
I don't know if I'm gonna find one of those, but you might. You never know.
And I got the blue stuff. What's your name?
I'm George.
Nice to meet you, George. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Tell them your names.
My name's Jude, and I'm Jonah.
No story.
Now hit that in the middle of this one.
There you go.
Oh, you're getting it.
It's got that.
No way. Let me see. How cool is that?
How cool is that? And what kind of fish is that?
We should look.
Oh,
What fish is it?
It's called a diplomistus, which
diplomistus.
is a bony herring.
that's the reverse side of it when we
Yeah,
split
you got a positive and negative. You got to be the first person to ever see it. Secondly, there's not another one in the world like that.
That is so cool. You were the first person in the world to see that fossil.
And he's not the only one in the world. There's not another one exactly like it.
Nice. Okay. Oh, nice. I can't believe you got another one out of that.
Can't find any.
Not yet. Smart. Jude, you did it. You busted it right in half. Is there anything on there? Take a look. Anything? Yay! You found something! Let me see it. Let me see it. What do you think that is? Should we ask George later?
I should probably go out now because you might want this to put inside.
Okay, check it. Check it. It's like a weird kind of fishing, isn't it?
I just noticed on the ground that there was a fish fossil in it.
No way!
You get one? You'll find one soon. Oh,
Whoa!
that is cool.
Yeah,
It looks like, yeah, it looks like there's a few in there.
Oh my god, there's another tail here too. Johnny, you found these fossils? You were the first person in the world to see these fossils, and they're 50 million years old. You found them. Does this make you an archaeologist now? Is it official? The Oceana. It's pretty cool. Do you have fun, Jonna?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want to be.
You want to be a paleontologist? We found so many fossils. I don't even know where we're going to put them all. in
And
our
not
RV.
break them, I have no
know.
idea.
But there's one fossil in particular that is really unique.
Oh, awesome.
This is the other side of this, I think.
Yeah,
right?
that's an awesome.
George said, yeah, what we found was an awesome find. It was a Nidia Eoceana, and it's a pretty big one for this area. Oh, sweet. That's so cool.
We hope you enjoyed this week's adventure. If you decide to go yourself, a couple tips. Do not use Google Maps.
No, it will lead you on a wild goose chase.
And pack sunscreen and apply it many times. We probably applied it 3 times and still got fried.
Yeah. And next week, we are doing something that is going to be...
We're doing something.
We're doing something that is going to be awesome. We're doing something.
See you then.
Cheers. What dog are you walking, Jude? Pepperoni. Look at those shades. Those are so cool.
They're ready to go to the festival.
Oh my gosh, you guys are ready.